It has been a hot second since I last talked to you. I have made it safely and successfully over to South Africa, and specifically Durban, South Africa. The flight was 15 hours long, and funny enough, I thought going into it, because of the time change, I thought it was gonna be like an 8 or 9 hour flight, and then like the 6 hour time difference would like make it 15. No, it was actually 15 hours of flying, and then another 6 hours something time change. So literally lost an entire day. So we landed in Durban and we were good to go. And if you were wondering, they drive on the left side of the road, not the right side of the road. I was curious about that coming into this, whether they'd drive on one side or the other. And yep, they're on the other side. It's an absolutely beautiful country for this being their winter. It's kind of crazy. There's palm trees, it's sunny, it's just like very pretty out. So I was picked up at the airport by Amy, who's the head of the Stowe Academy of Irish Dancing. They're the school that brought me out to teach them this weekend and the following weekend. They've been an absolute joy to work with throughout the past couple months, and it's so great to see them all in person. Amy picked me up from the airport, and right from the get-go we started talking, and I mentioned that I had never seen the Indian Ocean before, and so right off the bat, we turned directions and we went straight to the coastline, right near the coastline, and we went straight to the Indian Ocean to check it out, and it was so cool. I mean, something I've never seen before right away. I was still very jet lagged, but it was so cool to see it all. Beautiful views, huge waves, like so cool. Like it was right there. So that was like really cool to see. We got to check out the FEIS venue, and it was solid. It was a huge theater, spaced out for safety reasons and all of that. Definitely like a lot of thought has been put into making it like a super just enjoyable experience for everybody involved. So much care and time and effort put in. So cool to see. And then going into the FEIS on Saturday, it was just like clockwork. All the different competitions. It was really cool to see. The awards are really cool. They even had these little dragons that had matching sashes for if you won. So if you won, you got a dragon that had a matching sash to go with your sash. It was really cool. Definitely all the kids saw that and were like, well, kids and adults, the older ones too, really wanted to win that dragon. So it was really cool to see that. And the competition to get those. Everybody danced so well. It was great to see all the dancing out here. It's really good. So the very next day we had our open workshop, open to all the dance schools, all of them in the area, all the ones that were involved in the FEIS. You can stay an extra day and join us. And it was really great. I was so happy with the turnout. We had a whole bunch of dancers show up from, the advanced guys all the way down to the younger guys. Everybody showed up. A lot of fun to work with them. We basically just did a whole bunch of like my favorite technique drills and exercises, more of a competitive focus. All the exercises that I've used throughout the years when I competed and now continue to teach that have been super successful. And it was really fun to walk them through them all and explain, the process of all of them and why they're so important. And it was great to share all that. And even with the advanced guys, we got through all the technique and all that. And, they worked really hard the day before the competition. We worked really hard during the technique stuff. So we spent a part of the workshop going, just having fun. And I taught them a whole bunch of treble reel pieces, some of my fun tricks and whatnot, and had a bit of a session. And it was so much fun. Kind of sad that it was only one day, but we made the most of it. It was a full day. Now it's we got Monday through Thursday basically to just do some sightseeing, do some touristy things, in between, and then we're gonna have a 3-day workshop here with the Stowe Academy, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But in the meantime, you go check out South Africa and see what that's all about. Yeah. As always, thank you all for your support, subscribing to the channel, liking these videos. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out the slipjig video that I just dropped. But for now, I will see you all in the next video. Happy dancing. Monkeys.